everybody, my name is Raigna and today I'm going to show you how to make blackhead removal masks at home. What you're going to need for this particular mask is gelatin, preferably flavorless, but if you have the sweet kind, it doesn't really matter. If you have activated charcoal tablets, it's not a must, but it does help because these help absorb toxins, so they're really good. But if you don't have them, it doesn't matter. And water. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that YouTube lets you know every time I upload a video and you don't miss them because they're really cool. And if you're not following me on Instagram, go check it out because I know you'll like it. It's raignavargas everywhere. Now that that's aside, let's get to the tutorial. Alright, so first what we're going to do is put in a cup 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Then we're adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of gelatin. Then if you have the activated charcoal tablets, we're adding one of those, but you have to open it so that you can put the activated charcoal inside, not the tablet itself. Then we move. Then what we're going to do is put this in the microwave for 10 seconds only, not more, just 10 seconds. After it cools down to an acceptable temperature that doesn't burn the hell out of your face, then we proceed to apply it on our faces. When applying, make sure that you make a sufficiently thick application so that if it's too thin, it just like separates and becomes little dots and then it doesn't take anything off, and it's really difficult to take off because you just have to scrape it off. So it has to be thick enough to form one layer, but not too thick, because if it's too thick, then it's not going to dry ever. And that's going to happen like in my left nostril, where it never dried and it didn't remove as much as it could have removed. So make sure it's thick to form a layer, but not too thick that it's never going to dry. And then you proceed to do whatever the heck you like to do so you are not bored until it dries out and it makes the layers just hard, like really hard. And then we proceed to remove it. When removing, make sure that you remove from bottom to top, because if you remove from top to bottom, then you just age yourself faster and we don't want that. So from bottom to top, and enjoy the pleasures of seeing disgusting things that you just removed from your face. And that's about it. Super easy, super fast, and I hope it helps you be blackheadless during this quarantine and maybe for the rest of your lives. Enjoy. If you really like them, make sure to let me know in the comments because I really like your feedback. Hit the like button, share, and all that stuff. That really helps me out here in YouTube. And well, if you try it, take a photo and tag me on Instagram because I'd love to see you guys with your mask. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked it. I love you guys and see you next time.
Ew, you're disgusting.